Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about print titles, and it is very important to know and to practice at the same time. So, if you look at here, we have titles. Is here in the red color. It says cars sales. This title of the sheet, okay. So if I want to print the sheet and the sheet maybe has more than one page, what will happen? Only the first page will have this title. Okay. However, if you want to keep this title exist on all of your pages, you have to use print titles. So let me show you something here. Okay, so if you go to page layout and go print titles, okay, and just click on print preview before you do anything. So this is your pages here. So this sheet has more than one page. So this is the page one. It has car sales. It has the title on it. Okay, so if you go down, this is the second page. There is no title. This is the third page. This is the fourth page. This is the fifth page, and so on. That's why we need to use something called print titles. So this title will be available and exist and appear in all of your pages. Okay, in case you have a large file, right? So to do that, you just click the title or the cell where your title is. Okay, and then go to page layout and go print titles. Okay, and then here you want to say, okay, row to repeat at the top. Okay, so here, and then you're gonna, when you put your mouse here, click here, and then click on the row. Okay, so here this row will be repeated on the top of each page. You have the second option, the column. So I'm gonna leave the column now. We're just gonna go with the row, which is most likely will be happen. But in case you want to use the column, we will do it later. Okay, so click OK, and now go to page layout again, and then print titles. Just go to print preview. So remember, just before we did that, it was only here. Now, if we go to the second page, we're gonna find it. All right. Go to the third page, you're going to find it. Go to the fourth page, you're going to find it. Go to the last page, you're going to find it. So this is what we call print titles. It will appear in all of pages in case you are working with large Excel files. Okay, so this is very important option, and it is also very nice to learn. So how to do that? You go to page layout, print titles, and then you choose. You want to put rows to be repeated on the top or columns to repeat on the top. So if you put on the column, you have to choose the column that you want to repeat it, right? I don't want to do that because I don't want to repeat the columns. I want to keep all the titles. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so now if you want to add more here, you could add, right? So we added this column, which this row, which is row 4. Okay, so row 4 will go and be repeated in all pages. Okay, so this is how you can do print title. To get rid of it, just delete everything from here and go back to it, and then you will be back to normal. Okay, so print titles, very important. You're gonna find it here in page layout and print title. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you again.